Hello everyone, I'm here at NVIDIA GTC and I talk to tech CEOs around the world.
As a company, we don't do backflips or dancing. We are here to do real work.
Being able to do the parallel processes and the billions of calculations that are required.
So it's like an exoskeleton upon your hand.
No one needs to risk his life. It's very simple.
But also, how do they take advantage of AI with their existing data centers?
That is why I started Humanoid to free people from dangerous, hard, and repetitive tasks.
Hi, it's good to see you. Tell me your name, your company, and what you're doing.
Yeah, hey, I'm Artem, the founder and CEO of Humanoid. We are building humanoid robots, and we are the youngest company in the field, but we are the fastest.
What does the youngest mean? Like, when did you start?
1.5 years ago.
And is that group pressure that you started building humanoids, or why did you start?
It goes back to my grandparents. They spent their entire lives manufacturing jewelry.
Wow.
From early morning until late at night, and they didn't have a chance to see the world at all. And I didn't see them at all.
Yeah.
And also before Humanoid, I built a jewelry business. I also saw how repetitive work negatively affected my employees. 3,000 people on manufacturing side, and they really work very hard, and they didn't see their families at all.
Wow.
And that is why I started Humanoid to free people from dangerous, hard, and repetitive tasks.
Wow, I like that. What is differing your humanoid robot to others?
Yeah, we decided to be maximum pragmatic, commercial, and product-oriented as a company. We don't do backflips or dancing. We are here to do real work.
I mean, at CS, I have also seen a lot of humanoids dancing. I saw your robot here having a real use case. Do you think that's also important to transport the right message?
Yeah, for sure. Here in GTC, we are doing Robot Store. It's like a fully autonomous operated shop when you can order foods, and robots will deal with this.
I've heard also in factories, one of the most important use cases, or one of the first, is just putting something from A to B. What do you identify as the most important use cases right now?
Yeah, we also see that material moving operations, so like hundreds of millions of people involved in this type of operation, and we see a huge also labor shortages in this like a simple type of work. And we started with less dexterous, less complex use cases like picking, kitting, loading, unloading, totes handling. But we are adding as minimum one additional use case every month to cover everything in industrial space in the next 2 years.
And why do they need to look human? Like, what is this humanoid thing around?
Yeah, interesting question. Yeah, first of all our environment was created for humans, and humanoid form factor is best fit just not to rebuild, redesign the space. It's just in one click, humanoids can work. It's like a first thing. The second thing is that we train our AI models with human videos, with human teleoperation. And it's the best way to train AI model faster than you can train specialized robots.
And do you believe in like those dark factories, or is there always a human being involved, or is there like both?
Yeah, we'll start with human in the loop, but in next 2 years our goal to be fully autonomous, and it will be around one operator for 100 robots.
Yeah, so how big are you right now? Like how many markets do you cover, and how is maybe also the Inception network helping?
Now we already have 200 people across 4 offices, London, Boston, Vancouver, and Riyadh in Saudi Arabia.
Oh, cool.
And we already have done around 8 pilots with the top 500 Fortune clients, like Siemens, Ford, Schaeffler, and we continue building pipeline. We already have the biggest commercial progress in the field, and even like next week we will sign first buying order, first in industry, because we are like just want to deliver and start mass production next year.
And how do you collaborate with NVIDIA? What do you both bring to the table?
We are fastest because we have an amazing team, and also we have a huge support from NVIDIA. And we have around 10 different streams of work. We use a lot of GPUs for sure to train our AI models. We use Orin and Tor inside our robots. A lot of simulation tools, Isaac Gym, Isaac Lab, and also we are partnering with research team, gear team on developing also RL policies, VLAs, and etc. Yeah, it's amazing partnership, and they support us very well.
Oh, that's good to hear. What is the data you are working with? Some are using real-time data, then bring that together with artificial data. What do you believe is the right way to go there?
Yeah, now it's most efficient way to collect data through robots to do teleoperation. And this is most qualified data. And on customer facilities, we build physical twins in our lab, and also we created UMI devices is the same grippers which our robot has, and humans can collect much more data without robots. And this is like a second most efficient way. Also, we've created egocentric suits and gloves, and we provide for our clients, and also workers can collect a lot of data.
And how's the gloves thing working?
Yeah, they just wear gloves and do their standard work.
And so you were talking about environments that are maybe also dangerous for human beings. So what is that?
Yeah, for example, we just completed one interesting dangerous use case in oil and gas. It's rack in, rack out manipulation of switchgear in energy station. Like a couple of tens of people are dying every year in this use case, and we want to solve this problem with our robots.
So what I think is most of the companies, they start now deploying physicalai. When do you think will that be part of our homes? And would you have one at home?
Yeah, for sure. I already have a couple.
You have one?
Yeah.
What is he doing?
And now just crazy things, not very useful. What's interesting, for industrial use case, technology is already here and ready, and this is just execution matter. For household, it still have a couple of R&D bottlenecks: safety, cost efficiency, and how AI models work in unpredictable environments like a home. But of course, we started pragmatically from industrial, but my vision to be in each home. Also, it's like services and household. This is our final destiny. Our prediction it will be maybe 5 to 6 years. And
they will be at home in 5 years. So in 5 years or earlier?
5 years it will be millions. Of course, earlier you can buy already. But to do real work with a mass adoption, it will be, I think, 5 to 6 years.
And how much will humanoids be part of our lives? Will we have relationships to them?
Yeah, we see that it will be two different humanoids. One is assistants to do different household chores, etc. And the second, a companion, like a friend. We can illuminate loneliness with this type of products.
I have just heard from Amy Webb, she's a futurist, that loneliness is becoming a market, It's super interesting. And so do you have different sizes for robots? Because, I think about like a robot cleaning up the child's room, and when there's such a big robot, maybe it's a bit scary. Yeah,
we have two different robots, one for industrial applications with wheels, and it's 170 centimeters. For household, 150, and it's of course lighter, softer, and more human-friendly.
Looks a bit nicer, you think? Okay. So what is the biggest challenge beside everyone fearing physicalai?
Two big challenges. First is hardware. Hardware is hard, and it takes time to build really proper with really good reliability, safe, that will work 24/7, 5 years. And second bottleneck, to build AI models that will be capable to work with a zero shot in every environment, and with a human productivity level, with the same speed, with a fully autonomous level. This is like two different main challenges. But AI is easier than hardware for this moment.
Because I've also heard of human augmentation. Do you believe it's better humans improve with tools like AI, AR, and give all the hard work to physicalai, or do we need to augment our human capacities?
I think both.
Both, right?
Yeah,
we need to just speed up everything.
Yeah.
Oh gosh. Okay, maybe you can complete the sentence. What is the big problem you solve in our world?
Yeah, with the humanoid technology, we can eliminate poverty, we can eliminate hunger. Just imagine robots will work 24/7 in labs. We can find a cure from all disease, and it's very exciting.
Wow, so we make our world a better place with humanoids.
Yeah, for sure.
Nice, thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.